Welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today you are seeing from me Realme 11 Pro Plus device, and now I'm gonna show you how to make your device fast. So to do it, you just need to remember the one rule. Never fill up your internal storage over the 70% full. So open your settings, then about device, storage, and here is the 70% point. So never fill up your device storage over the 70%. Then you can extend your RAM. So here we have RAM expansion. You can extend your RAM to 12 gigabytes, for example. Of course, you will need to restart the device after that. So click restart now. I will click not now right now because I don't want to do it right now. And of course, the last aspect you can do is to open the phone manager and click optimize. By clicking optimize, you will clean up your RAM, you will clean up trash files from your storage, and that's cool. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.